8 creative strategies to get more views on your Reels. Are you looking for Instagram Reels tips to help you convert your videos into viral sensations? You've come to the right place. The greatest strategy to increase your Instagram account and get a spot on the covered Explore page is to create Reels. Your view and follower count will rise as a result, making it simple to reach the 5-figure follower mark and attract your niche to your account. Are you ready to reel yourself onto the Explore page of Instagram? Here are some of the most effective techniques to boost your Instagram Reels views. Here are some additional tactics you may employ in addition to creating great material, posting consistently, and sharing your Reels to your stories. 1. Use trending sounds. Do you want your Instagram Reels to go viral? Take a listen to what's hot right now. When a large number of people react to a sound, the Instagram algorithm notices and adds more of the same videos to their feed. This increases your chances of getting more views and maybe even a few new followers. Not sure what's hot right now? By touching on a sound at the bottom of any reel, you can see how many people have used it and how many views it has. 2. Put your niche twist on trends. When it comes to trends, don't make the same reel as someone else. Adding a specialized spin to an Instagram reel is one of the finest ways to enhance your views. For example, in the fitness industry, there is a common sound that indicates, "Is this friends? Are we buddies? Oh, you're going to be one of my friends." So, if you're not a fitness influencer, what are your options? Consider how you may connect this sound to your niche. For instance, if you're traveling, you may use it to simulate what it's like to hear your own accent while abroad. It helps you think outside the box, stay on brand, and have fun on Reels by connecting trends to what you do and how you serve your audience. 3. Consider hashtags to be SEO for your Reels. Hashtags are a great method to gain more views on Instagram Reels and help the algorithm comprehend what you're posting. Consider it in terms of search engine optimization. The system will analyze the hashtags you use and serve your movie to the appropriate audience. Using hashtags like hashtag South Africa Travel and hashtag Wow South Africa, for example, notifies Instagram that your post is about South Africa, and that it should be served to users in the country. Use specific hashtags rather than broad and general hashtags. Stick to hashtags that are hyper-relevant. 4. Also, don't forget about your SEO captions. Instagram just launched keyword search in a few regions, signaling the app's initial steps toward becoming a full-fledged search engine. Your captions are full of keywords, so be deliberate about the phrases you use and how they relate to your specialty while planning your content. If you're a food account looking for amazing bagels all around the world, for example, you'll want to make sure you're utilizing keywords relevant to that in your captions to start developing the correct topic connections with your account. What does this indicate for the number of times your Reels video has been viewed? The more views you get, the better the system can recommend material to the proper people. 5. Use the remix feature. You know what Instagram loves? When you use its new features. Remix is the app's newest Reels feature, and it's a simple way to increase your following and Instagram Reels view count. What is Remix and how does it work? It's just a knockoff of TikTok's duet feature. You can respond to an existing reel with a video response. It's a fun approach to work with your team and stretch your creative muscles. When is it appropriate to use the Remix feature? Remix is a good framework for reactions, dance collaborations, and challenges, but it's all up to you. 6. Increase the number of views on your Instagram Reels by adding subtitles. On Facebook, 85% of videos are watched without sound. 0. Zip. How can you get your message out and attract their attention when so many individuals have their sound turned off? Subtitles are included. It will help you reach more users, resulting in more views on your reels, as well as making content accessible to persons with hearing impairments. Furthermore, having text on your screen pushes users to read, which improves your retention rate. If you're giving advice on how to manage your time as a busy creative, for example, some folks may need to rewind to catch everything. 7. Use multiple cuts and seamlessly loop your reels. Planners, let's get this party started. Take heed of the following secret hack. Reels views hack is a technique that not enough people use in their videos. Using several cuts is the key to catching your audience and getting them to watch your complete video. What's the best number of cuts to use? Every 2 to 3 seconds, cut your footage. A cut can be used to alter the camera's perspective, set up a new scene, include a previously recorded clip, include a transition. It will make your reel more visually appealing, resulting in a higher retention rate and viewer count. Tip: if you want to entice your audience to watch your reel again, try editing your footage so that it loops effortlessly. Viewers will be unaware that the video has ended and will continue to watch until they are aware that they have seen the complete clip. 8. Kickstart your engagement. Aside from retention rate, hashtags, and trending music, the Instagram algorithm considers 3 more factors: comments, likes, and saves. These 3 factors contribute to your engagement measure, which informs the algorithm about how much your audience appreciates your content. What's the best way to get things started? By getting your engagement off to a good start. Leave a remark with a question after you have posted your reel to encourage people to comment. Always add a call to action while composing your caption. Tell your viewers to save, comment, or double tap your reel. Finally, in your stories, tease your reel. Share it and include wording that encourages readers to read the whole thing. Conclusion: start thinking about your reels now. Instagram Reels is the best strategy to expand your Instagram account in 2021. If you follow these techniques for increasing your Instagram Reels view count, you'll quickly establish yourself as a leader in your field, reach new audiences, and monetize your impact.